Namaskar. I'm here again with a session again in continuation with the adolescents. And though last time, I had received some comments and they were related to mostly, the children who are hooked at uh, mobile for so long a duration, and also, they are not able to concentrate on what they have to do. And again, one more aspect, that the physical work or the physical exercise or physical involvement of children is going down and down. So if you ask me, here again I would say that who is to be blamed? Who is to be blamed? Children or the parents? So each one of us has to ask ourselves only, who is to be blamed for this situation? I can understand that the child is coming in contact with the other people around him, and there are so many things he's watching, he's growing up in a different world. But is he getting the right, parenting at home? So here I have a question for you. If you just ask yourself, what is your screen time as a parent? I'm talking to the parent right now. I'm not talking to the child. I'm talking to the parent. How much exposure to the screen you all have? Sometimes the father is still busy on the dining table with his phone. Mama is also busy many times when even the child has come back from the school. Then also Ma is busy. Oh, beta, I'll listen to you later, and right now I have to answer somebody, and she's talking to someone, and she's just opened the door and the child has entered the room with his bag, and there are no questions from the mom. All right. And so, what is the child watching? Whatever the child watches, he absorbs that and he starts following it. But when you do it, you are right. When he does it, he's wrong. How to explain this particular situation? Don't you think you should also raise question marks in your own minds? So this is one thing that we all need to give a thought to. All right. Like, for example, see how to resolve. I'm not just asking you to concentrate on what the problem I have raised. I will give you a solution also to you. Like, for instance, what have you planned after dinner? What have you planned? Have you planned an activity for your child after dinner, post dinner? Like Scindians who stayed in the hostel, all boys hostel, they must be remembering that after their dinner, they used to have a common room. So this session, this is also named, this app is also common room. So there they used to play table tennis, carom, there used to be a small library, they used to listen to music. So have you planned such an activity for the child, that you will be spending some quality time with the child after dinner? So I am not talking about the quantity time, I am talking about the quality time. Quantity time, I agree that we don't have, neither the child has nor the parents have. So after dinner, you get busy in your TV, you get busy in your phones, you have to do so many things on your telephone, and the child also gets busy in his own phone. And then I don't know when this thought strikes you that my child is sitting for a longer time on the phone, and then you start complaining. So this is something you need to really think about. Plan certain activities, do certain things in which the child can be involved. Have a family carom board, play on the carom board, play cards, listen to music. Each one of you should have a reading time in your family, that for 15-20 minutes all of us will be busy reading here and there, sitting in the same room. So these are certain things, which we have just forgotten. I don't know where they have gone. So this is one particular thing that I had to focus. And then when we say that children are so much attached or hooked to the phone, who gave them the phone? In the school age, see, I'm talking about the adolescence age. So in that school age, from 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, do you think the child should have a phone? So you say that no, for homework these days, for online classes and all, you require a phone. So there can be an extra phone. He takes your permission for the class time and returns it back to you. Or alright, so these are a few points that quickly I'm mentioning this to you. And another thing somebody mentioned in the comment, that the physical games, the physical activity is missing. Children are becoming couch potato. Yes, they are becoming. Can we have a yoga session in the morning? All of us, now this lockdown came as a surprise for all of us. But then how many of us really utilized this lockdown? We could have gone in for a yoga class at our own home. Somebody could have taught us, and maybe 20-15 minutes. We are all involved in the yoga since now we are not going into the office. We are all at home. Children are also at home. How many of you did practice yoga at home together? Family yoga. How beautiful a concept, you know. A blessing in disguise of this COVID-19 time. So we as parents, why I am giving you this example, that we as parents, we need to understand how to make the child involved in physical activity, how to make the creative environment for the child where he can come to you and you can all play your games, indoor activities. There can be so many things in which the child can be involved, and when you have that fun time, you know, the child will never go back to the phone. So if you ask me, in these years of my experience as an adolescent counselor, 95% of times I have found parents to be wrong. So just look into your own self, ask 101 questions to your own self, and you will find the answers to them. So just use your creativity to the maximum, be a smart parent, get your child involved in so many things that you can plan for the child, and quality time can be spent, and I'm sure you will be closer and closer with your child. And when you will be closer to your child, I'm sure the child is going to run towards you, and the child is going to come to you and speak so many stories, tell you so many things about his heart. But then when there is a distance, the child is hooked on the phone, because there he finds what? There he finds more recreation, which you as a parent are not able to give. So namaskar, thank you so much, and post your ideas and all your queries there on my comment box. Maybe next time I'll take up that session. And this time I would like to give my personal phone number also to you, so that in case you are stuck with your adolescent child in some problem, some personal problem, then I'm there to help you out and anything for you. Thank you so much.
क्या अभी? Yes.
Sir, you are going to teach us plants making, sir?
Yes.
And Shima Sharma, sir, yours.
My flower.
I made 2 nice flowers, and my sir, Mr. Samir Sadwal.
I have also made some 2 flowers.
Yes. मेरे पीछे बताना। एक ही भुजिया में क्या करूँ? बात है तो बना लो।
देख हीरो।
अपने लिए खेलना, मेरे पीछे नहीं आ रही काटने को।
आपने तो जा रही थी घर अंदर, ये आपने इसको काट दिया, वो कब से घुमा रही हूँ।
मेरे को तो कुछ काट ही नहीं रहा जैसे। मेरे पीछे बड़े सारे
ये हमारे घर में आज समीर का दिन है। हमने एक एक दिन सबको डिवाइड किया है, सबका एक दिन है। ये देखो हमारे भैया क्या ड्राइंग बना रहे हैं। अभी ड्राइंग किसी की ओपन नहीं की है। समीर हमें नंबर देने वाला है।